Honey, please come here. It's like 3 a.m.
But I haven't got up bedo yet.
You have to wait for his banner.
I can't wait so long.
Just go to sleep. Honey, I think a thunderstorm is coming.
Relax, it'll be fun.
How did I end up here?
Boyfriend loves that girlfriend cooks for him, even if it doesn't turn out well. Somehow, he didn't die of intoxication. How is it? Tastes good?
Yeah, it's perfect. I love it.
Pico usually joins girlfriend and boyfriend on dates to go out and have fun. He tries to be as calm as possible for boyfriend.
Hey guys, how's it going? I want to kill someone so badly. I miss my gun. Boyfriend looks cute today.
Girlfriend loves boyfriend. She literally watches every single thing he does with affection. Even though it's a bit silly, it's just him. Oh, babe, you're such a gentleman.
Sus.
Girlfriend is shorter than her parents. Boyfriend is taller than his parents. His father 162 centimeters, his mother 154 centimeters, 163 centimeters. Her daddy 199 centimeters, her mommy 187 centimeters, 178 centimeters. Girlfriend does not need to physically sleep as she is a demon, but she likes to take naps and watch boyfriend sleep.
Go to sleep.
But I like you. Girlfriend may levitate slightly. This is why boyfriend can lift it with one hand. You can do it, darling.
Hell yes.